One decision changed the course of a national movement overnight. Welcome to Hindu Infopedia. By early 1922, the non-cooperation movement had become the largest mass movement against British rule that India had witnessed. Nearly 60,000 Indians were in British prisons. Boycotts had disrupted important parts of the colonial administration. Official correspondence from the British government showed growing concern over the scale of public participation. The next major phase was to begin at Bardoli in Gujarat under Gandhi's leadership. Then, on the 4th of February 1922, violence broke out at Chauri Chaura. A police station was attacked and several policemen lost their lives. Gandhi concluded that the movement had departed from the discipline of non-violence. 8 days later, he unilaterally suspended the entire non-cooperation movement. The decision surprised many of Gandhi's closest colleagues. Jawaharlal Nehru, who learned of the suspension while in prison, later wrote that he felt both angry and deeply pained. He had expected the movement to continue into its next stage, but the decision reached him as a completed announcement rather than a matter for consultation. Subhas Chandra Bose viewed the suspension even more critically. He described it as a national calamity. Bose believed the movement had reached its strongest position and that the British administration was genuinely under pressure. In his view, India had surrendered its advantage at the very moment when success appeared possible. Chittaranjan Das was also in prison when the announcement was made. His disappointment eventually led him, together with Motilal Nehru, to establish the Swaraj Party. Rather than abandoning the freedom struggle, they chose to pursue constitutional politics inside the legislatures, reflecting their disagreement with Gandhi's method of directing the movement. Lala Lajpat Rai had earlier warned against the Khilafat alliance during the Calcutta session of 1920. For him, the suspension reinforced his belief that concentrating decisive authority in one individual could conflict with democratic accountability within a national movement. The withdrawal also produced another important result. Unlike the Irwin Pact years later, there was no negotiated settlement. There was no release of political prisoners, no return of confiscated property, no formal British concession, and no documented commitment from the government. The movement simply came to an end. In March 1922, Gandhi himself was arrested, tried, and sentenced to 6 years in prison. He was released after about 2 years because of ill health. Many participants in the Chauri Chaura case, however, continued to serve severe punishments, creating a contrast that remains part of the historical record. The planned Bardoli campaign never took place. Whether the documented British concern would have resulted in meaningful negotiations was never tested. That unanswered question continues to shape historical discussion about the suspension of the movement. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and read the full article at Hindu Infopedia.